Bonjour tout le monde! Today we're going to learn about IR and RE regular verbs, les verbes en IR et RE. Okay, so just a little bit of a reminder for infinitif, that is the non-conjugated form of a verb. And we have already learned our ER verbs, and now we're learning about IR and RE, so the other two regular verb endings in French. The two steps to conjugating a regular verb, this applies to ER verbs, IR verbs, and RE verbs, is that you're going to drop your infinitive ending. That's the last two letters of the infinitive. And then you're going to add your present tense ending according to your subject. So we have already learned how to do this with ER verbs, like arriver. We take that infinitive ending and we get rid of it, and that leaves us with our stem. Okay, our radical or our stem. And we're going to do the same process for IR verbs and RE verbs, but there are different endings that we're going to add. Okay, so if we have les verbes en IR verbs, you'll see these are our endings. So when you have an IR verb, like for example, the verb finir, which means to finish, you'll drop that IR ending and then you'll add the appropriate ending according to your subject. So if it's je, it's IS. Tu, IS, il, elle, on, IT, nu, ISSONS, vu, ISSEZ, and il, elle, ISSENT. So if we have that verb finir, the first thing we're going to do is we will drop our infinitive ending so that IR will go away, and that leaves us with our stem. Okay, and then we're going to add our appropriate ending according to the subject. So here's our stem, fin, and if our subject is je, we will add is, fini, je finis, I finish. Tu, finis, is ending, same as the je. Elle, or il, elle, on, finit. It's the same pronunciation as je finis, tu finis, and il, elle, on, finit. The il, elle, on, though, is an it ending, it. We have nous, finissons, vu, finissez, et il, elle, pluriel, finissent. Okay? For les verbes en RE, we're going to follow the same process. Again, we just have different endings. So here are endings for RE verbs. If your subject is je, you will add an S to your stem. Tu, S, il, elle, on, you simply drop the infinitive ending and then you don't add anything. That's why this is blank. So you do nothing with the stem. Nu, ONS, vu, EZ, il, elle, pluriel, ENT. So you'll notice that in the plurals, RE verbs have the same endings as ER verbs. So our first example is attendre. Attendre means to assist. So to help somebody, or to wait on. Okay, to assist or to wait on. More often, to wait on. Okay. So if my subject is, my first step is to drop my ending, my RE ending. And then I'm going to add my ending according to my subject. So if my subject is je, I will add an S, and it is attend. Now remember that if my subject is je and my verb starts with a vowel, what am I going to do? I'm going to contract. So it turns into j'attends. If my subject is tu now, I have my stem attend, I'm going to add an S. Tu attends. For the il, elle, on form, notice we don't do anything, so it is just il attend. No ending, it just stays the stem. For the nous form, we had ONS, attendons, nous attendons. For vu, we had EZ, vous attendez. Il, elle, pluriel, so elle is our subject here. Attendent, elles attendent. Okay, that's all you've got to do for conjugating. It's really easy. Just like you did with your ER verbs, you memorize your endings, and then you can conjugate every single IR or RE regular verb. For your à buffet, you need to finish this in your notes and bring it to class tomorrow. You're simply going to conjugate the verb I gave in parentheses according to the subject that precedes it. À bientôt!